Let me ask you something. When something breaks in production, what's the first thing you open? Logs. And most of the time, logs make you feel safe. They say everything is fine. Today's incident is about a system where every log looked correct and the system was lying. If these real production stories are helping you think like an on call engineer, like the video and subscribe. I'm running a 30-day real DevOps incident series. At the end, I'll personally send you a free DevOps simulation ebook to people who follow along and comment their thinking. All right, let's talk about logs. Let me quickly draw this. A user, then we have a service A, and we have a log file here. Here it says request processed successfully. Okay, this is how logs are trained. One request, one service, and one log line. If log says success, we trust it. That mental model breaks the moment systems scale. Now let's look at a different flow. We have a user, then we have API gateway, then we have service A, service B, and service C. Under each service, we have a log, which is okay. So all three services have log file, all are okay. Every service logs success, right? So our service is fine. And yet the user experience is broken. Logs tell local truth, incident live in global truth. Log answer what happened here. They don't answer what happened across the request. Logs without context are like reading random sentences from different books and trying to understand the story. Service A is success. We have service B, timeout, plus retry. And we have service C, duplicate, request. Users see wrong result. Every log is technically correct, but the sequence is wrong. This is where engineers say the logs look fine. Why teams get stuck? They try to search for logs, they look fine, plus they try to search for more logs, they also look fine. This is how teams lose hours. Logs give confidence, and confidence delays escalation. Logs don't lie, they just don't tell the whole truth. We have a request ID 123 and we have service A, B, and C. Traces don't replace logs, they connect them. They answer the questions logs never could. What actually happened to this request? This is day 15 of the challenge. You're on call, logs look fine, users complain, no obvious error. What is the first question you ask next? Do you add more logs, correlate requests, look at retries, question assumptions? No right answer. I am trying to evaluate your thinking. If this episode made you rethink logs, like the video so it reaches more engineers, comment your day 15 thinking, and subscribe because tomorrow we talk about a retry that quietly destroyed everything.